Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today's read is going to be for the sign of Aries for the month of August 2020. Let's see what we have coming up for all the Aries out there. Also, if it resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's see what we have coming up for all the Aries for the month of August. Okay, it's a pretty high energy Aries. Okay, pretty good. Okay, Aries. So you, in your recent past, I do see that you were accomplishing a lot of things, and you had a lot of stages that you had to go through to accomplish something. But you definitely knew what you're going towards, and you knew you finally gonna achieve it. You were in your completely balanced state. Be it your love life, be it your career, you were pretty balanced, and then eventually you gained it. Whatever you were going towards, you got it. And I do see that it was related to, let me just clarify if it was in your love situation that was accomplished, or it was something related to your career. Okay, yeah, so it was something related to your love life that you accomplished, and the major role was of your intuition. Your intuition told you what you need to go towards, and even in your career, I'm not saying that your career is left behind, your career is on spot, and you have accomplished every single thing. You are simply accomplishing things in your recent past. In your present situation, I do see you standing with full strength, full courage, in full balance. Maybe in the recent past you did not approach that person, but you knew, you got to know something about that person, that person is gonna, that person is the one for you, that person also loves you. Maybe you got to know that thing, and in the present situation I see you in your full power, and you are going and approaching that person, and eventually, yeah, you gained it all. It's like there is simply no limit. You can fly wherever you want. It's a very good read for you, Aries. I mean, if you want something in your career, you will achieve it, and you have achieved it. If you want something in regards to your love life, if you want finances, you have simply accomplished every single thing. And in your future also, I do see abundance, 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 abundance in love, abundance in career, abundance in finances, and it's all abundance. And you seem to be pretty balanced. I haven't seen such a read that just ends. It's a read for like the full month, and this read is like, I don't have anything else to say in this read. It's so much perfect. There was no other sign that actually got such a read. It's everything's perfect. You have everything abundant, in abundance already. In your recent past, you were going towards the things. Whatever you wanted to achieve in your life, you were going towards it. Whatever else you wanted, you were going towards it. Even in your career, I see there's nothing to think twice about any single thing. You have achieved it all. If we still gotta clarify something, then definitely I can. Let me just clarify, in your near future, about your love life more. Just give me 1 second. Okay, what's going on? Okay. What happened after achieving every single thing? When it was time to approach this person, you are thinking, why are you thinking so much? Why are you being so judgmental now? What's wrong with you is you always wanted this person in your life, and when you got to know that the other person also loves you, which is, and if you didn't know, this is a sign from divine, but I do see that in your recent past you got to know that you love this person. In the present situation, you were in your full strength, going towards this person, and all of a sudden when it was time to approach them, when you got everything abundantly, you are thinking, now you're thinking whether to go, and that is because somebody in your life, somebody, a very important lady in your life, could be a mother, could be your grandmother, or a very important female friend I see, who actually, she told you something. She told you something about this person, and then you were already thinking whether to approach or not, and all of a sudden she came in your life and she told you something, and now you want to end this situation. Now you feel that this person deceived you. Maybe the lady, she told you something about the person whom you were about to approach, that now you are thinking of cutting them off from your life. Let's see what we have coming up for this person. What's the energy of this person towards you? What's the energy of this person towards the Aries? What's the energy of this person towards the Aries? Okay, pretty intense, pretty high energy. Yes, it's a very unstable energy. It's a very emotionally unstable energy here of the other person. But again, I do see you getting married to this person. Whatever happened, I think it was only you who got emotionally unstable because of something someone told you, and you were thinking of cutting this person off. But eventually I do see you getting married to this person. I do see your home, I do see you creating your home with this person. I do see that you have abundance in love. So it's just gonna be a little bit of glitch that's gonna be there because you were thinking too much. Sometimes if we think too much, people come into our life, they give us advice, and we start thinking more about the same situation, and which makes us emotionally stable, because in the whole read you are so much stable. Maybe the other person is not as stable as you. Maybe the other person is not that much emotionally stable as you are. Maybe it's a young person, or maybe she's just not that much emotionally stable, but I do see you both getting married. I do see you being abundant in love. And this is what you always wanted. You always wanted this person in your life. It was just that you were almost there and you started thinking a little bit about that. But it's all gonna end well. I do see you getting married. So I don't think there's anything to think about. In the near future, in the month of August, I do see all that happening here. You will be getting married to this person. Yeah. Let's just see the actual energy of the person you're dealing with. What's the energy of the person Aries is dealing with? What's the energy of the person Aries is dealing with? Energy of the person is stealing. That person is coming right towards you. Okay, that person has a lot of love for you. So yeah, there's absolutely nothing to think about, because that person already has you in their mind. That person has a lot of love for you. They are gonna give you, maybe this person was your friend already and you're gonna propose your friend. Yeah, you simply just gonna go towards them, you simply gonna propose your friend. Also, if it's not the, this reading is for all the Aries definitely, but it's for the whosoever has the Aries sun, moon or rising, it's for them as well. So if you have Aries in your chart anywhere, I do see if you have Aries in your chart anywhere, this reading is specifically for you. Maybe it's not specifically for the sign of the Aries, but that one person that I see in all this read is, you have Aries in your chart somewhere. Maybe you are aware of it, maybe not, but I do see that you're aware of it. I do see that you don't consider yourself as the other sign, whichever resonates with your birth date. Even I don't know what I'm talking about, like, okay. Okay, so usually what happens is, usually in our birth chart we have a lot of signs. Maybe in your birth chart, as per your name, as per your date of birth, as per every single thing, you have Aries in your chart. And you know this thing. Maybe the person dealing with you does not know about it, but you know this thing for sure. Yeah. You know that you're in that, you consider more yourself as an Aries. That's just that, I'm just talking about that one specific person, whosoever is listening to this read. But definitely it's a very good read for all the other Aries sign as well. Aries, it's a perfect read for you. Amazing, amazing reading. Even the other person, I see the other person has a lot of love for you, so there's nothing to think about. There's nothing to give a second thought about. Yeah, I do see you getting married to this person. Perfect, Aries. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So that was your read for the month of August. If it resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like my readings, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button and also click on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post any more videos. Okay? So see you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.